Okay, is it a self-learning or did they attend any training? Yes. By doing, so very good. Spending more time is, yes, because we don't have time, they have a lot of time to spend on it. Any other? Very good. Curiosity made them to learn all these things. If they are not curious, they don't learn. Why mathematics do not enter into their brains? Why these things are entering into their brains? So easy. So what is the difference? That is, they are interested towards it and they show interest in learning something new, and also they are very curious what will happen if this button is pressed. What is the result going to appear on the screen? So that is how they, with their curiosity only, they are learning. But coming to English language, really easy. So if we are enough curious to learn something, we will grasp it. Otherwise, there is no use. So here comes the introduction of me. So most of you may be thinking that I came from Telugu medium background or Urdu medium background, so I cannot speak English well. Is that myth still existing in the participants like you? Do you have that myth in your mind? Atlanti apoha unda in mind lo? Is it there in your mind? How many of you have this in your mind? That you came from, your mother tongue is different from English language, that is why you are not able to speak well in English. How many of you have this thought? All of you. Okay, so that is not. So environment is must. Okay. So even if that thought is there in your mind, just erase it and keep it away. All the KRPs who are representing the district are from Telugu medium background only. Even my language also, I am also from KG to PG, Telugu medium background only. Most of the district collectors, most of the DEOs and most of the bureaucrats are from Telugu medium background only. When I am using Telugu medium, it doesn't mean that Telugu medium only, non-English medium. Okay, let us make it clear. Maybe Urdu medium also, most of them. But they did not come from English medium background. See, how could they reach those heights?
Practice.
How could they learn English language even if they did not come from English medium background? How is it possible? Interested to learn and rigorous practice, continuous practice. Yes, what more? Yes, need. If you want to pass this exam, you need to read this subject. Need must be there.